Do you want to learn how to make $1,052 per day on Autopilot, doing no work? I mean, of course, everybody does. And in this video, I'll show you not just one, but actually two ways to do that. They're very simple. They require no investment, no money. I won't tell you a course. There's nothing you gotta pay. It's very simple. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team, currently we have 2 video editors. We produce around 2 videos every single day because we want to take over the niche. We're doing more videos than every single person. So if you appreciate it, subscribe. And before we start, like the video for the YouTube algorithm. And you know what? We'll shout you out. I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, your TikTok username, or your YouTube account down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, the first way is really interesting. It's very creative and I want to start with it, and then we'll go over to a much easier way. But the first one is actually more profitable and can be scaled more. So the first one is YouTube. And what we are going to be doing is creating videos that are going to be monetized. I've seen a lot of tutorials like this one where people share this strategy, but their strategy doesn't work because there's a few things you need to know they are not telling you. For example, if you go ahead and search tech just like I did in Google right here, and you can see a lot of results, and a lot of these channels are making quite a bit of money. Mr. Mindblow, for example, this channel, will go ahead, we can see in the last 30 days he made 1.36 million views, and he only did all of these views with just 6 videos. He just posted 6 videos on his channel, and with just 6 videos he managed to make over 80 million total views. 80 million total views with a CPM or RPM, the actual money that you can make per 1,000 views, of around $5. I'm getting nearly $4 right now. $5 because it's in the tech niche and most of my videos are social media related. $5 multiplied by 80,000, because that's per 1,000 views. He made over $400,000 just from uploading 6 videos. If we just go ahead and see how much he made per video, that's actually $66,000 per video. That's insane. And he's also making around $6,000, 6.5K a month if all of his views are still monetized. But there are some things you gotta consider. Most of the people that are telling you this will do the following. They will tell you to search something like tech, and then click filter, and then click on Creative Commons. Creative Commons are basically videos uploaded on YouTube where the creator will allow you to share them. So you have content by Mayuko, by Jade, oh yeah, so different videos. If you just make compilations out of them, like most of the channels will tell you to do, you will not be monetized. I can tell you that right now, because it will say something like this. So it's a compilation channel that I used to own, I still own. If you see, it got 1.8k subscribers, and I got that like a year ago, and I had 2 people helping me with it. I did none of the work, but my mistake was I was repurposing content because I was following guys just like this. It was wrong. I shouldn't have done that. This doesn't work. Why? Because I didn't add any original commentary. So what you gotta do is, when you're using Creative Commons videos, what you need to do is add voiceover, either yours or someone else's. And I have a link for Fiverr in the description down below. What you need to do on Fiverr is go on Fiverr and type in voiceover. And you need to find someone that's willing to work with you. It can be a female, especially for top 10s, someone else. You can find the best selling and create a gig where you get a very good price with someone new, so you get a cheaper price that will voice over your videos, so you don't have to do any of the work. It's even better if that person is willing to also find and edit the videos for you. And best of all, one more thing you can add is Amazon affiliate. Because you'll be talking about tech, you can actually add affiliate links for all the products that you'll be showing or showcasing in the description of your videos. So Amazon's one of the best places where you can get affiliate offers for products that you'll be advertising within your videos. Obviously you gotta have a disclaimer down below that it will be affiliate offers and stuff like that, but it seems like a great way to make money. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice, don't sue me bro, results can vary. So the second way to actually make money is transcriptions, and there's two sites I want to show you. The first one is actually Ghost Transcript. I'm actually logged in on it, and some people are making a lot of money with it because they know something that you don't yet. If we go on transcription on Fiverr and we just sort it by best selling just to see how much other people are making. For example, the first result, this person has over 2,800 feedback, so nearly 3,000 orders. If we go and check, the average order of $15 and multiply this by $15, it's probably gonna be over 40 grand. This person made over $42,000, probably if most of the people ordered the standard plan from just doing transcriptions. Transcriptions is just hearing text and recreating it. How can you automate it without doing any work? You go on Google Translate and you just do something like this. Hello, I'm trying to show people how to automate transcription. All of this was automatically added by Google Translate. So you can literally get transcription videos, put them on your computer, leave Google Voice on, and transcribe them automatically, making money on Autopilot. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. If it's your first time watching the channel, subscribe, and obviously with bell notifications on. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.